Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool rotary dial desk telephone, and this is Daniel's equipment from California. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. This is a unique telephone because it has a G6 high quality line powered amplified handset, and there's a lot of people out there that would really like to have this unit. The amplified handset is high quality. Now Daniel's got a note with this unit, and there's multiple problems that they're experiencing with this telephone. We've troubleshooted a little bit, and we know that the internal condenser for the network is bad. So you will get all kinds of different little problems going on, and if you're trying to figure out what's going on, it would be very confusing. Now we need to reconfigure a condenser to the network, so we'll take care of that issue. We also want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We want to go through the hook switch, and we want to make sure that we reconfigure some issues at the network. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool rotary dial desk telephone with a G6 amplified handset, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs and our conversion, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, normally under a final checkout, we would use a amplified pickup, and we're just going to go ahead and use the handset. I think there'll be enough audio from the receiver. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'm going to let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call it time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
We want to thank you for calling our time and temperature service, and to make a request, please tell your friends and family about us. We want to provide this service to as many people as we can. Today is Tuesday, March 17th. The current time, 9:11 p.m., and the temperature, 46 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric rotary dial desk telephone with a G6 style handset has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Daniel and he can enjoy this telephone once again. Now this unit has been in his family for a long time, so I know he would like to use this telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.